All hail Biafra. This is Biafra Liberation Army Network coming to you again. Please do subscribe, like, share, and comment. The headlines are so encouraging, despite the fact that the evil ones are still fighting to make sure that Biafra restoration is not going to hold. Chukwueke Abiama is also seated on the throne, looking at them and laughing at them because he knows that all of them has already failed before even they planned it. Meanwhile, I would like to share to the general public that the 40 states of Biafra map is out, and this has given them enough children, enough fear. They've started jumping up and down, and the beautiful thing is that those guys are the one doing the broadcast for us. They are not even waiting for us to pay them for them to broadcast it, for them to tell people about it. It is now everywhere, and fear is gripping them because they know that the center can no longer hold, that we are moving down in numbers. In fact, very soon. Reading through the comment section, I saw one Ifulefu, one Afunja, and one idiot like that who came up with the fact that why are these people listening to Simon Ekpa? And I love the reply he got. Those people has enough guts. Whoever that is sponsoring them or supplying whatever they are taking must be very serious with the business. Yes, because these guys can no longer reason straight. Yes, the bigotry in them is eating them up. These guys are not allowed to grow, and they're not allowed to go home. And you want them to keep quiet. You want them to fold their arms and watch you guys do made caricatures of them. Is it even possible? Is it even obtainable? These people are special breed. They are special people. It's high time you guys understand the fact that we are not meant to be in Nigeria. We are meant to be in a separate way called Biafra. And for the fact that I still have some of my people, yes, I will still call them my people because they're my brothers and my sisters, those who are still believing in one Nigeria, because I still get attacked. I still receive so many attacks. I still receive so many threats that you guys are doing this, nothing will happen and all that. And 2nd of December is around the corner. Don't change the topic. I still get people saying that they are still waiting eagerly to see what will happen, that nothing is happening, and some idiots are even happy that Mazi Nnamdi Kano is still in detention, that he has done so much. I can't continue to keep you guys relevant or your comments relevant because you guys are the reason why we have the Sabos in our midst, and there must be Sabo, there must be Judas. So let me count you guys as one of those people who are eager to see that Biafra restoration is never achieved. And I believe you guys have kept your eyes glued on the channels that promotes the sovereignty and the restoration of Biafra to see the good news. Yes, I want to also bring you good news again today that we have 40 states and an established map of Biafra. At least you can no longer ask where is your map coming from. At least you can no longer ask where are you guys starting from. At least you can no longer ask when was referendum conducted. You can still make calls. There are time for you. This is time for you to make calls and see that is it actually, are we even going in the right direction, or is there something we are not doing? Like I said earlier on my previous videos, if you have solution to it, why don't bring it up than making sure that you follow human being? The effort another person is making to put everything in place is being shattered. I don't think you understand the harm you're bringing to yourself, the cost you're laying on your children, the ones born and yet unborn, because you are surely laying costs on them, and I pray they don't forgive you easily. Yes, I pray they don't forgive you because you know nothing. You don't know what you're doing. You don't know what you're talking about. So for those of them who are still believing in one Nigeria, you can continue to believe, and some people are saying over their dead body, we caredness, we don't even give a damn. So many have died before now. You are not far better than them. So many are still going to die. Remember, you're not better than them. But one thing I want to promise you all is Biafra is around the corner. Just reading these true messages, you understand that we have gone far. If our map has been established, and you hear bad news about the Zouk nation every day, just know that they are going down. Asman and Dana aircraft, I heard a rumor that they are leaving almost. In fact, they have packed and they sacked their workers. Well, one of the commenters said that they've not really sacked them. They asked them to go and do some farming because this is rainy season. I don't really know why. I don't know if it's true that they were sacked, but I believe it is true because nothing going to survive here. Nothing seems to survive in here. Even your dream is going to die a natural death. It is certain that it has been designed for total destruction. Yes, it has been designed for total destruction. So if you're still waiting for maybe Biafra to fold us and go down with them, it is not possible. We are going to leave them in the middle of the sea, in the middle of nowhere, so that by the time they realize the harm they've done to themselves, we are far gone. Let them continue to pamper those bandits doing so many things in that angle. Let them continue to pamper them and then be looking around for harmless people to halt, coming down to Biafras and then doing all sort of rubbish. Well, I believe our men on duty, I wouldn't want to mention them, but if you've been following up, though I've not been posting all, but if you've been following up, you'll understand that they are collecting it with notoriously waters in the angle. And Chukwu Kiabiama is before us. So they cannot do anything to harm us. They're not rich now. Tell me how they want rich. Tell me how they want rich. So every day we keep hearing bad news. Every day we keep seeing bad news about those people. Every day we keep seeing different types of news coming up, and none of them seems to be a good one. I just want to assure you one thing: just keep praying for Biafra restoration, and make sure you are alive to witness Biafra. Whatsoever it takes you to be alive, please be, because there will be more flames going up in the zone. Just pray to be alive to witness Biafra restoration. It's going to be a wonderful day because God has already designed on how it's going to be. And trust me, you're in the right direction. When I tell you you're in the right direction, check everything that is happening and you understand that these guys are clueless of what to do. And for that reason, they have already mapped out for total destruction. So we're on our way home. They should not worry about us because they will definitely meet at our back when we are far gone. And the Chukwu Kiabiama be praised. Amen and amen. He say, Kodiba no Ogadiayin was up. Remember, if you're still watching us till this moment and you're to subscribe to the channel, please help us to do that. And don't forget to share the video. Despite the fact that these people are really working morning, afternoon, night to make sure that they silence us, they can never do it. They can never achieve it. Just tell them that the zoo is gone. Tell them that Biafra has been restored already. Let us prophesy for positivity and it will come to pass.